This video series is presented by SharePoint Journey School. If you want to watch more these videos, you can go to SharePoint Journey School here and click on Enroll Now button, or you can go to one of our free courses, which is SharePoint Designer Workflows, SharePoint Fundamentals mini course, or Get Started with SharePoint Online Development. You can enroll in one of these free courses to learn more about SharePoint. In this video, you will learn what are the modern document libraries that were released recently by Microsoft in Office 365. So we will look at what are the different features that are available in modern document libraries, how we are going to use it. So here I have a invoice management site, and by default we get the modern document library view here. But what I'm going to do here is, for the demo purpose, I'm going to create a new document library. So to do that, I'll go to the site contents. Here I can see that there are a lot of statistics which will show, like site assets, trending content, etc. So now from this site contents page, I'll click on new, create a document library here. I'm going to call this as modern invoices. When creating the document library name, I don't use spaces. I'll tell you why. So remove the space, then use the default settings here. One of the setting is document version history. By default it is enabled, and the document template is Microsoft Word document, and click on create. So this will create a new document library. Here you can see that we have modern invoices, and in the URL, if you look at, there is no %20. That's the reason we have that. But let's go ahead and modify the title of this particular library from gear icon here. So when you click on that, you will see the library settings that are available. So click on the library settings there, then go to the list name and description. So here I'm gonna modify the title. Now we quickly modified the library title that we have created. And also look at the URL which I was talking about. There is no spaces between modern invoices. That's the reason we have chosen this approach. Now let's look at what are the things that we have in modern document libraries. We have here left navigation, where we have home, notebook, documents, site contents. So we can just redirect what are the places that we want from one of these settings. So if I click on either one of them, for example home, it will take me to invoice management. And now I'll come back here, and like I said, we have different options where we can go to those things. And we have search. Right now I don't have any documents here, but we will look into the search, how it works in the later part of the different other videos. Other important things that are available here is, within the ribbon you have a lot more options. In the new section, I can create a folder, I can create a Word document, Excel document, PowerPoint, even OneNote, or I can create an Excel survey, or I can create the links. There are different options available. When it comes to the folders or the upload option here, I can upload files or folder. So when I click on files, I can select all the files from a specific folder and upload it. So here, whatever the files you will have, you can always upload those files and put it in the document library. And the other option is you can select the folders and upload those files as well. So next option is quick edit. Quick edit is where if you have multiple documents which are available, then if you want to make changes at a time, you can do that. And the next one is sync. So here you can always sync the libraries that are available in your local folder with the library in SharePoint site. Then you can create alerts. So we'll be looking at all these features in detail in the later part of videos, like how you could set up alerts, how you could do quick edit, and so on. Now the next section here is ribbon. You can either get the tiles view or the list view. And when you click on the view that is available here, you can always change that view if you want to modify it when you click on save view. Or if you click manage views, it will redirect to the library settings where you can see all the views that are available for this particular document library. The next one is the detail pan, and here it will show the recent activity, what are the changes that has been done for each item in this particular document library, and what are the different information that is available, whom it was shared with, and all those details. As of now, this folder is empty, so it doesn't have any information, but you can see the sharing part to what are the uses that was shared for this particular document library. That's the detail pane all about. But once we have the files, then we can see more about the detail pane and what are the details that will show within this particular detail pane. This is what you have in the modern document libraries. If you want, always return to return classic SharePoint. If you want, which will show the earlier view of modern document libraries. So what we're going to do is from next video onwards, we will dig into each one of these features and see how we could implement the normal functionality that you used to do in the classic libraries. Action item for you is go ahead and create a new document library of any name that you would like to call. In this case, I just did modern invoices, and explore different options that are available. And once you are done, start watching the next video. To watch more videos, don't forget to enroll in SharePointJourney.com.